Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a Forex trading tutorial. So a lot of Forex traders only use price action. Now, volume is extremely important. It's 50% of the picture of the behavior. So I've chosen Euro Japanese yen on the 10-minute time frame with our VWAP Predator, volume weighted average price Predator. So this looks at both price action and volume and gives you those buyers and sell signals. So I'm going to go through a week, which is last week, on this currency pair. A lot of the trades are sort of European morning and some in the afternoons as well. So the times on the bottom of the chart are European times. So with the VWAP Predator, the main VWAP dotted line is here, and these are fib extensions here and here and up. And what we're looking for is these sell signals. They only give signals when they cross from one barrier to the other, and then there's a lot of other sort of volume criteria that makes that a signal. So let's say I want to go through the ones where European traders or most Forex traders will take opportunities. So this one in the Asian session there, we're just going to leave that for now. So each day we're just going to go through and those Forex traders that look at that sort of volatility during that European day as the best time to trade. So if we get a sell signal at this point here, we're going to go short. We get the Bias Depth Heatmap down the bottom giving us all 6 time frames are red, so that's our signal, that's our confirmation. We go short. The trade management is built in to the VWAP Predator, so when that ribbon turns green, we get out. Then on the way back up again, we get another buy signal, this blue candle here. We look down, the Bias Depth Heatmap, all 6 time frames are green, so signal, confirmation. Then the trade management, when the ribbon turns red, we get out. So that's Monday. Then we go on to Tuesday. So in the morning, in the European morning, we get buy signal here, the blue candle. We'd enter at this point here around about 0630. If you were still in bed or grabbing a coffee at that time, there was another signal at this point here around about 7:10. The entry was in the next sort of 10-20 minutes after that. Again, down at the bottom, we see the Bias Depth Heatmap gives us that full confirmation. So there's 2 indicators here with those VWAP Predator for signals and trade management, and then there's that Bias Depth Heatmap to give you that confirmation of signals. So great trade up into there, into the afternoon. Ribbon turns green, take out. 1 trade. That's all there is on Tuesday. On a Wednesday, 1 trade. Again, around about 7:30 in the morning, we get a buy signal at this point here. We go long all the way up to this point. Okay, why didn't I take the sell short signal? Because the Bias Depth Heatmap was all green. Okay, so the bias is bullish. We take the bullish signal here, and then it goes all the way up, and then the ribbon turns red. We take out the trade. Thursday, this time, we're a bit choppy in the European morning. No real trades, but we get a great sell signal here just after the US markets have opened. Again, that can happen. Thursdays, we get a lot of economic data coming out, and that sort of starts the stampede either up or down. So again, recognizing as Forex traders that US data on a Thursday and a Friday can give us those trades later on in the day. We get a sell signal down here, goes all the way into close. You see the ribbon just turns green at this point here. You take the trade. Again, signal, confirmation from the Bias Depth Heatmap. Very, very important. Then trade management. We go through to Friday. We get a sell signal here in the European morning. We go short, and then the ribbon turns green. 5 days. Totaled 789 pips by trading sensibly, using the VWAP Predator for the signals, getting those confirmations, only taking those trades where we get the confirmations, and then using the ribbon on the VWAP Predator to manage the trades. So 789 pips, that equates to, and I will bring that calculator over, $6,034 for a week's trading. And you didn't over trade. Sometimes there's only 1 trade a day, occasionally 2 trades a day. $6,000 trading week, trading 1 lot, euro, Japanese yen using the VWAP Predator. And it's about being sensible. It's about getting signal, sell signal here, confirmation from the Bias Depth Heatmap, go short. Stay short as long as that ribbon remains red. When it turns to green, you get out. There's very simple rules to follow. You're not over trading. You're not trading 5 or 6 times a day. Sometimes it's only once a day. You're letting them run until the VWAP Predator says it's time to get out. And that's $6,000 week. Very, very good, and very repeatable as well. So check out the links below. This is the TradingView version of the VWAP Predator and the Bias Depth Heatmap, but the links down below will have all of the versions, whether it's TradingView, NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim, that sort of thing. They'll all be in those links down below. So for Forex traders, this works just as well for futures as well. But I wanted to make something that really stood out for Forex traders. You don't have to overtrade. If you've got price action and volume, a good picture of that behavior with a VWAP Predator like this, you can really get some great signals, get the confirmation, and then the trade management. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.